Alright, Nels, what do we got going on here?
It's our second perch of the day. It's a nice one. Not huge, but it's a good start to the day. Take a little picture.
Wanna bring it over here for the release down the hole? I can shove the camera down there.
Yeah, I barely felt that. Max and I are out here on Bald Eagle Lake. We're fishing for some perch here. We do have a tip up over right there, set up for pike, but that hasn't happened yet. We have 2 perch so far and we're marking a lot. What we're using is this right here. This is a wax worm. My camera would focus, you'd be able to see that a little better. But yeah, so it's like a little grub. We're using that with some little jigs, and we're just jigging off the bottom. We've had 2 so far, we're hoping to get more.
Yeah, another one, Nels?
Yeah, pulling out drag might be a big one.
Yeah, right.
Oh, that's a nice one. Another little perch. 3rd one of the day.
Let's get a closer shot at that perch. Beautiful. Under my releases.
Maybe not underwater. That was not graceful.
Or you want just take it on your camera.
We got another one right here. 4th perch. Oh my god.
Probably the smallest one yet.
Yeah, smallest one yet, but he's a pretty little fish. Got us another one here. Show the perch to the camera.
Huge fish here.
Nice little yellow perch right here.
Alright, stick it in the water.
That one. Is that a nice little perch here?
So I just caught this little guy. We got oh, missed that. So yeah, we got some solid marks. Let this guy go.
That was a bigger fish.
Missed another one, Nels?
Yeah, I did. Man, down here.
I was putting it down.
Oh.
God damn it. Well,
we're on him now. Oh, he's a little.
He would have been an eater if he wasn't diseased.
Yeah, he's got some freckles.
He's a ginger. color. I might have to switch.
They're kind of slant.
You got my line. I think.
Nice one again.
Right? Do you have my line attached?
Yeah, I do. No, I don't.
Where is it? No. So I saw mine coming up too. Dude, this thing must have so much ice or something in it.
Oh!
That's really loud though, right?
Yep. You have fish meals? I do? Yeah. Oh my god.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! Oh!
That was close.
God damn.
Oh, you got one. You got one, you got one.
Oh, you got bites. Nice.
Very nice, another one.
Lazy man fishing. Oh!
Oh, you got one!
That's you.
Oh.
Yeah. That's a nice perch,
It is
actually.
a really nice perch, actually.
No perch? We are just killing it today.
This is probably our 30th perch, to be honest. We haven't filmed all of them, but we're pulling them in like crazy.
Like, look at it.